Don't put your hand out there. Don't you dare open it.
Stop.
That's your own permit. Open this door.
Y'all fixing to miss the bus. I'm supposed to have to drive y'all to school.
Hey, what's more important, children's lives or school?
These cops are about to be attacked.
They got a gun. They have permission to shoot it now. I don't. I'll go to jail for animal
They
cruelty.
killed your dog. Are you saying you'll have no right to kill theirs?
Like this. They're silent, being nice.
They killed Coda, Rainy. They let their dog kill Coda.
Our dog's looks are deceiving. Our dog's looks were deceiving. Our dog looks
Ooh.
scary.
Oh, Rainy's dog scared me for a minute there.
He's trying to get in, y'all.
Back up. Back up from the window, too.
Open the back door.
There's no
She don't,
disrespect
you
at
don't
all,
hear it.
Mama.
She don't come that way unless I call her. Cotton.
Why are you letting Cotton in?
He's trying to get away from the dog.
Oh, go. Mama distracted us.
Actually, why don't y'all make noise and distract this dog and let Cotton in? Distract the dog back there. Just make some noise at that back door. Say, here, puppy, and let Cotton in.
But if I say here, puppy, Cotton's gonna come that way.
Just do it. Just do it. See what happens. I'll yell. Cotton. Never mind. Cotton.
He ain't coming to that door distracted by you.
Wait, watch it. Move back.
You better not open the door.
Come on, Cotton.
You going up there? Remember one time he tried to bite my fingers off when I tried to put my
What is he
hand in
after?
there? No, he's after you. He's right here by the door. He's after you.
Cotton.
Oh no, he's downstairs.
He's still there.
Back up. Get over there.
Shit, here he comes.
Back up. Okay, he backed up. He puts his face up and we're like, wham.
I don't know if he should get out or not.
Don't go outside.
Lane, get out and shut that damn door!
Dog moved toward me a little bit. I only put my head out the door. Your dog just stayed back.
Good God.
Are you texting that one?
He's getting it. Hold on.
Getting the gun?
He's getting out.
Back up. Grady, wait, shut up, dog. What's he doing?
Cotton, baby.
Go in there with your dog. That ain't. Keep her shut up.
Hey.
What's the dog doing? What do you do with the dog?
Is he foaming at the mouth?
No, it's
just
not.
her white.
It's her white.
I seen something sling out of it.
Slobber. Dogs always slobber, Mama. And it's not foam.
I just know that dog's acting really weird.
Their dog is not trained.
Yes, it is. It's trying to kill.
It is trained to kill. It's a hunting hound. Their hound that they have is a hunting hound, and it probably killed Coda. That's probably what got it up on his. What's he doing? Mama, what did I tell you, Rainy? Keep your stupid mud away from the dang thing. Now I have to put that up. Get back in this car. Look at him.
No, he
He's at the
didn't.
door. He's coming to the door.
No, he's throwing that ball.
Okay, he's backing up a little bit because he's still on the ball.
Hey, the dog ain't charging him like it did me, though.
He doesn't like that. Should I try to let him in? Okay, he's way down the road.
You can't go outside.
Oh my God.
Come in. It done did this like a couple times.
Cotton.
Cotton. Oh, he's down there. It's the dog's down
That
there.
baby.
My thing is